Good morning. Today is Saturday the 12th. It is currently 7:23 and I'm heading down to the lobby for breakfast, and then we're gonna be heading over to Kin for their Matsuri today. The weather's pretty good today. It's a little cloudy. People outside are getting ready for there's gonna be a parade, but I think we're gonna miss it because we're gonna be in Kin until like 5:30 tonight, and then we're gonna meet up with my auntie for dinner. Alright, so I'll see you downstairs. This is the breakfast for today. And they even have guava juice. Alright, so we're heading out. I'm heading over to the lobby now so that we can head down to go to Kin now. Yeah, we got some new friends here. I think it's the weird weather, I don't know. Sometimes it's humid, sometimes it's hot, so I think my skin is just not having it. It's dry, hot. Gotta push the button if I wanna go down. Yeah, so the driver's downstairs. I can see him, and then we're all just gonna head over to Kin now.
Building is very old, maybe it's 74 years like old. They used to be the working at Naha, like close to Shuri. Shuri, like close to Shuri Castle. But like, afterward, went to their everything is gonna be in the.
We're in the Matsufuji Awamori making factory.
At first, there's like Kurokoji.
We're climbing the stairs to look at the top of the Awamori tanks.
Be careful, don't drop anything.
So in there is the awamori after it's all steamed through that machine with the koji and everything, and sucked out the solids, and then it goes into getting steamed, and then once it's all finished it gets put in this tank right here that he's talking about, and you can sample it. Go taste it. We just got to Namisato, and this is Ogawa, and this is where the spring water comes up in Kin, I guess, and it's just like a small area that people can come next to this park. Today it's really overflowing because I think the typhoon is coming or past, so the water is just like really high. Eel Farm in Kin. I didn't even know that it was here, but here we are. Look at all of the eels under there. So this whole is fed by spring water that comes out of the ground under the tree that was back there, and so when the water tastes good and it's fresh, then the eels taste better. The last time I was here I was working at Choraku, so we're at Choraku now and we're gonna be here for lunch. At Choraku, we got to meet, I got to see my friend Daisuke who works here. He used to be the server when I was here. I'll put a picture, like, I guess right now. And he is now the chef. So it's like 2 years and we're both moving up in the world. Yeah, so Just bought a cheesecake from here. It looks kind of ugly because I messed it up. But it's cheesecake with taimo at the bottom, which is taro. And it's so good. It's my favorite thing here. Okay, I'm gonna eat it now. I didn't want to get a fork. I mean like a plate. So good. So here you can see the different layers. It has the taro on the bottom and the top has cheesecake. So we're at one of the, I'm not sure which temple or shrine this is in Kin, but it's really close to the Yakuba. And then there's the Awamori cave over here. So I think me and my brother are gonna go down into it. It's right here. Where is it? Right there? I wanted to come. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, it's noticeably cooler. Oh, that one was horrible.
Yeah, nice.
Wow, it goes way deep. Should we keep going? Might as well. Ooh, everything's wet. So this area over here is where people keep their awamori. They can age it down here in the cave. And I just check on it every so often if they want. But yeah, this cave is so much cooler than the other cave we're in. And it's not as humid. But it still has the water dripping and everything. And it's like a short walk. It's just up the stairs over here. And it's like this shrine over here. Oh, stepped in a puddle. Here it is. The way back up. You're wondering what the sound of a semi or the cicada is? It's this fly right here. It looks like a fly. Trying to grab the semi. Your turn. So going to the bathroom, and I'm told that the bathroom is very open, like very public. Here, this is this is the bathroom. So the men's side, you can see inside, and then the women's is just, I guess it has a door. So lucky us, we have a door. So we made it to the Kin Matsuri with Brian. So there's a place where we're all just gonna sit and hang out. It's been a while.
さあ、会場の皆様もカメラの準備はよろしいでしょうか。せーのの後には皆さんも大きな声でよいしょでお願いいたします。それでは参ります。いきますよ。せーの。よいしょー。
Kin Matsuri now, and it's got these random balloons from one of my cousins. Okay, we're going back to the bus now. So we currently got ready. We're going downstairs to meet with Noriko, and we have to dress nice, so I'm not sure where we're going. To run back upstairs to get these balloon things because they're obviously cannot fit on my suitcase back home. So I think they're just blow up toys from the Kin Matsuri. It was one of my shinseki, my relatives' kids or nephews. She gave me these presents, so I'm going to give them to my auntie's kids because they live here and it's easy for them to play with it and not have to actually take it home with me. So I had to go back upstairs because I forgot it, of course. And I'm not sure where we're going. Side thing that I just remembered. So you know how I was saying like this card right here that you need for to get into the hotel room and turn on all your electricity and everything that you put in by the door? It actually takes any card. So you can just put your key card away in your wallet or your bag and just put like, I don't know, like a coupon card or a discount card, but it has to be this plastic right here. But it pretty much takes any card. My auntie put a Marukai card inside. Yep, so run downstairs. Yeah, see this? That's why I don't want to take it on the plane back to me. Ooh, Brendan.
Oh, I don't know about that cool stuff. It's always all good food.